Imagine waking up to commission notifications, sales rolling in while you sleep. That's the allure of affiliate marketing, earning by promoting products you believe in. Pair that with the reach of social media giants like Instagram and Pinterest. Suddenly, you have a powerful engine for passive income. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of Instagram and Pinterest affiliate marketing. From crafting scroll-stopping content to building a network that translates to sales. Ready to unlock the secrets of successful affiliate marketing on Instagram and Pinterest? Let's get started. It's about building trust and genuine connections that convert into loyal customers. First things first, choose your niche wisely. What are you passionate about? Where does your expertise lie? Select a niche that genuinely interests you and aligns with your target audience. This passion will shine through in your content, attracting engaged followers who trust your recommendations. Think of your Instagram and Pinterest profiles as your digital storefronts. They need to be visually appealing and on-brand. Choose a consistent color scheme, high-quality images, and an engaging bio that clearly communicates your value proposition. Keywords are your secret weapon for getting discovered. Research relevant keywords in your niche and sprinkle them naturally throughout your profile bio, post captions, and even image descriptions. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. On platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, visuals are king. Your images and videos need to be top-notch to capture attention in a crowded feed. Invest in a good camera or smartphone and learn basic photography and editing skills. High-quality product photography is crucial for showcasing the products you're promoting. Use props, backgrounds, and lifestyle shots to create visually appealing scenes that highlight the product's best features. Engage your followers with captivating captions that tell a story, ask a question, or offer valuable information. Use a conversational tone and inject your personality into your writing to make your brand more relatable. Don't forget to include a clear call to action in your captions, directing your followers to the affiliate link in your bio or a swipe-up link in your stories. Use relevant hashtags to expand your reach and connect with a wider audience. Affiliate marketing isn't a solo sport. Building relationships with other creators, brands, and influencers in your niche can significantly amplify your reach and credibility. Collaborate on joint ventures, guest posts, or social media takeovers to tap into each other's audiences and expand your network. Engage with other users' content by liking, commenting, and sharing. This helps you get noticed and builds genuine connections within your community. Building relationships with brands you want to partner with can lead to exclusive affiliate deals and opportunities. Highlight your unique value proposition and showcase your engagement metrics to demonstrate your worth as an affiliate partner. Trust and authenticity are key to building a loyal following that converts. Driving traffic to your affiliate links is crucial for generating commissions. Leverage the power of Instagram stories and Pinterest idea pins to create engaging, shoppable content that encourages clicks. Utilize strong calls to action in your posts, captions, and bio, directing your followers to the link in your bio or a swipe-up link in your stories. Run contests and giveaways to incentivize engagement and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Partner with brands on sponsored posts and affiliate campaigns to reach a wider audience and increase visibility for your links. Track your results meticulously to see what's working and what's not. Use analytics tools provided by Instagram, Pinterest, and your affiliate network to monitor your click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings. Analyze your data to identify trends, understand your audience's preferences, and optimize your strategies for maximum impact. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay committed to your goals, consistently create high-quality content, and nurture your network. The key is to focus on providing value to your audience, building trust, and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. As your audience grows and your content gains traction, you'll start to see those commission notifications roll in. By consistently implementing the strategies outlined in this playbook, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving online business that generates passive income and allows you to achieve your financial goals. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and watch as your efforts transform into tangible results. Now go out there and make it happen.